Good morning, guys. I just finished watching Emma Chamberlain's vlog, and I think my life is complete now. I am a big Emma Chamberlain stan, so like her vlogs are just so comforting, and I don't know why. So real. It is a wicked nice day out in Boston, so we are gonna go out. This is my new favorite mascara. It's the Falsies Push Up Angel. Like, look at that difference. Enough said. I think I'm gonna wear a baseball cap today, so I just put my hair up, and we need to figure out our outfits. It has to match with this. Okay, I think we figured out the fit, but I really can't decide this bag or this white bag. Don't know. Okay, so I had to switch the bag out for this bag because I forgot I'm going shopping and I need like a big bag. But this is the fit, just have my jewelry on. And I think we're gonna go on Newbury Street. And I'm wearing a New York hat in Boston. Let's see if I get mugged today. It's actually a lot colder than I thought it was. So now I'm just sitting on a bench. I ate goat cheese at Press Cafe, so I need to brush on. Don't you just love the sounds of Boston? Okay, I just got back. It's actually freezing out now. So this outfit choice was a disaster. I got these wicked cute shorts. Flying Angel, I don't know, they're from Nordstrom. How cute is that? I'm gonna eat my chocolate chip cookie and I'm gonna change into something comfortable because I need to clean the apartment today. I need to empty out this bin full of clothes and put them in a bag because I need to use this bin to store stuff. Did I break it? I think I broke a piece off of it. So we have this bin and I need to fill it with stuff. I move out in like 2 weeks. I'm gonna put my books away, the ones that I'm not reading. I'm also gonna clear out that shelf as well. I don't know why we always feel the need to keep our like Apple product cases. Like, why am I like sentimental about my MacBook box? I can't even store anything in here. Like, why do I have this? Okay, I got a lot of stuff packed away. That is everything that I have packed. It'll just be stored in that corner for now. We're moving. I'm taking a nap. I woke up from my nap and now I'm hungry. I'm gonna make Annie's mac and cheese for dinner. Got my dinner. I'm gonna be an iPad kid for tonight's dinner. This will be my entertainment. I lit my disgusting candle. I don't know why it turned black. I'm gonna relax a little bit and paint. So I have all of these paints from my paint by numbers that I do. I've been making like a little collage with them, so I'm gonna be working on that. So yeah, we're just gonna paint, watch a show, relax. I'm done with classes, so I could finally relax and just, you know, do what I want to do and not have to do homework all the time.
Some coffee. All right, let me look.
I'm done with painting. I've done it for like an hour, so I think I'm just gonna go to bed and relax for the rest of the night. See you guys in the next vlog.